Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to my YouTube channel Siddharth Lecture. So guys, today we are going to discuss on what is the difference between source code, byte code and machine code. Let's try to understand. So guys, what is a source code? Source code are nothing but the Java code. Source code are the human readable. Simple like if you are developing any project or any simple program you are developing. So you need to create a .java file and this Java file are nothing but the source code. That's it. Then next point is what is bytecode? Bytecode are nothing but the .class file. See, after creating a .java file, you need to compile. After that, one file is generated, and that file are nothing but the .class file. And this file are bytecode. Bytecode is what? .class file contain a table that store the information of class, constructor, method, and all these things. Then next question is what is machine code? See, if you want to understand any code, any software, so you need to run on the machine. It is kind of operating system. It is Windows, Linux or Mac. Machine only understand the machine language. Okay, and it is not execute the source code or byte code. So we need to convert that byte code into the machine code. Okay, and this is we can achieve by use of the JVM. If we need to execute our file or code on the Windows, so we need to use a Windows JVM. For Mac JVM. For Linux JVM we need to use. Okay, this is the main difference between source code, byte code and machine code. That's it. I hope you understand.